Hi everyone, welcome to an advanced tutorial. If you've made it here, first of all, congratulations on your journey. And yeah, I hope this video will help you continue grow with your flow. So, my name is Lucas, aka Heat Source. What are we going to be talking about today? We're going to be going over advanced tricks with the 2-beat figure 8. Now, things are getting a little complicated because now we're doing 2. So, not only are we doing 2, but we're going in same time. So I guess the full technical name, bear with me, would be the double 2-beat figure 8 same time. I'll have another video on split time. Just to shorten things up though, I like to call this the Whipper Snipper, which I believe is an Australian term. In America, you guys call it weed whackers. Believe it or not, this actually used to be all long grass until I came here and I was like, and snipped it all up. We're going to call this the double Whipper Snipper same time. Okay, so prerequisites, you got to know your 2-beat, you got to know a Whipper Snipper in both hands, and you should feel very comfortable with both hands. To do it at the same time, I'm going to bring both my left and my right hand over to one side. With both your hands over here, the right hand is going to be going over the right side, then swooping. The left hand is also going to be on the right side and swooping. So it looks like this. Then, if this one is really drilled in, it should feel somewhat natural, because it is just what you've been doing in the past. Because you're working with doubles, you want to make sure you're leaving enough space for both Flowstars to complete the move. So what I mean by that is I bring my left out further than I normally would because I've got the right one that's chilling quite close beside it. And I do the same thing on the opposite side. An extra little visual effect you can do is you can raise one slightly higher than the other so that whoever's watching can actually see both Flowstars. If you get them too close, not only do they interfere with each other, but it's not going to have that visual effect of seeing 2 Flowstars. So that's how I would recommend doing this move. I'd also like to talk about some variations. Now, the variations is actually just an extension of what we did with the single Flowstar. So behind the back and under the leg. And pirouettes. So you can try all those moves but with double. So this is a double Whipper Snipper pirouette. And then back the other way. Now, other variations, behind the back. You pick a hand, you keep one hand doing the same thing, and the other hand will go 1 beat behind back, and then back into that forward sequence. So let's have a look. And back in. And then you can do this on the other side. With a little bit of forward tilt, you get more space behind you. So this is a fun one. You can actually do it entirely behind your back. The other variation is, of course, under the leg. So go into a Y stance and pick a Flowstar and bring it under. You don't actually, this is where you can become creative. You can either do this one or that one, or you can go the other leg. And that's pretty much it for this video. So quick summary, double Whipper Snipper in same time. The basics, the variations, and a little pirouette to finish. My name has been Lucas. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in other tutorials.